Hello everyone, today I show you flower macrame plant hanger. Let's start. Put 16 cords together. Measure 5 cm on the left and 5 cm on the right. Add a short cord 180 cm. Tie square knot 10 cm. Put hanging loft together and tie square knot. Attach 32 cords to the ring with large head knot. Separate 32 cords into 4 groups. Tie 4 square knots on the left and on the right. Connect square knot pattern together with 9 spiral knots. Repeat the same pattern 4 times. Using 4 middle cords, tie 45 spiral knots. Tie 16 spiral knots on the left and on the right. Using 4 middle cords, tie 1 square knot. Put a bead. Tie 3 large head knots with loop on the right. Repeat the same pattern on the left. Tie 1 square knot on the right and do the same on the left. Using 4 middle cords, tie 1 square knot. Repeat the same pattern for each groove. Leave 10 cm space. Connect pot holder together with square knot. Repeat the same pattern for 4 sides. Leave 8 cm space. Add a short cord 80 cm. Tie weft knot. Tie 18 spiral knot for 4 grooves. Put a short cord 80 cm. Tie weft knot. Thank you so much.